Hello. So today is a scuba training session. Tomorrow we are going to the sea water. So all the suspense and thrill will be tomorrow, but today is a training session. So let's go for scuba training. Seems to be wearing a rucksack. So this lock, the belly, there's a belly belt, and just on till now is like wearing a rucksack.
During the training, they will guide you and train you all sort of underwater communication, different kind of signals, how to survive if anything goes wrong.
We are all set for the real life scuba diving. We had a training last day, so we are all geared up and dressed up. I think we look cool. Let's see. So we are heading towards the harbor, and he is Riaz from the Temple Sports, and a superb guide. He was instructed us how to survive underwater, and we got our training last day. Riaz, so we are going to harbor, right?
Yeah, we are going to have.
Yeah, so all cool. I think we will see this in tomorrow's sun also.
Yes.
So it's all about mouth breathing. So we will do and we will follow their instruction. So whenever you come to Pondicherry, just contact the Temple Adventure. They have branches all over the India, and follow their instruction. And I hope we will do good and you will also do good. So this boat will take us to the big boat.
Alright, everybody's ready?
Yep. Let's go. All are going for the scuba. For me, it's the first time. I hope I'll come out. And for him also, and for him also. And I am not sure about you guys. First time.
First time non-swimmer. Everybody's
First time non-swimmer. So just concentrate on this guy. So he is also non-swimmer, first timer. So keep a close look.
But you don't need to swim for swim for this.
Don't swim or anything. Just breathe and just watch the fish line and the coral. That's it.
So he is our today's god. So our life depends on him. We're gonna do a equalization session. So to open your ear, if a sinus issue, guys, as we go up in the mountain, we have our ear get locked. So same happens if you go under the water. So for that,
The pressure increases and it happens at a more higher level than when we go up in the mountain.
for that, just hold your breath and pinch your nose and blow. So we are going 6 kilometers away from the beach, more than 30 feet, and for 20-25 minutes maximum. So the diving spot is a 6 kilometers away from the beach. Sit up, bend your.
Wait for a couple of minutes, we'll just...
Yeah, take your time.
Hands inside, everybody.
Hands inside, everyone.
Keep your hands
Sit up. Yes!
Where is the Josh? We've come to drown!
How's the Josh?
Drown us! How's the Josh? Josh is low.
I can see half the people are like, ये हमने क्यों किया? ये क्या किया?
Biggest mistake of life.
हम डूब रहे हैं और पैसे दे रहे हैं डूबने के। क्यों?
क्यों आए इधर क्यों आए? Yeah, let him.
I don't know your name, sorry.
Rahul. Rahul.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna go behind. Some people are gonna help you get up, put some weird ass stuff on you for your safety. Okay? Then they're gonna take you to the edge of the boat. They're gonna make you sit. Like this. Okay? You sit like this. Cross your ankles. Right hand on your regulator mask. Hold it nice and tight. So your mask doesn't go and your regulator doesn't come out of your mouth. It's there. Other hand here. Okay? And count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
He looks ready to dive. Look at his eyes wide. He's scared. Very scared.
Yet not.
So hi guys, so I have done my first time scuba and obviously it was awesome. And first of all, one line for all of you, this is not a paid review. You can see and you will see my video also. I have done the scuba and now from the temple adventure it was superb. I mean, I've already explained, I already told you in the video that they're never gonna leave you for a single second like a parent holding their child constantly, something like that. And once you go down, it was so good, you don't even come up. So I'm here with Santosh.
Hello.
From the Temple Adventure. I'll just pass it to you for just a brief about how to motivate you, because at least you should experience this at least once in a lifetime if you can't do much more. But once you do, I'm pretty sure you're gonna do again and again and again.
Yes, it will be a positive addiction.
Yes, yes. So
A couple of things which I want to add and tell something new to you. The first thing is, as you said, okay, as per standards, one instructor can take 4 people, but we don't do that. We strictly follow 1:1 ratio, just for the safest, just to be more safer side and to give a best experience for the clients that we get. So, if a diver is super comfortable and if he requests us to leave him for a while, we might leave him, but we'll be very close to him in case of emergency to hold him. Okay, that is one thing. So every one of us cannot go to space, right? I tell people to try diving. Because once you go diving, it's like you are in a zero gravity. You can do whatever you want, you can just float, you can experience the way that you are in the space. Everyone cannot afford to be in the space, you are welcome to come to Temple Adventures and you can experience that while diving. Zero gravity, you can do whatever you want. It's like a positive addiction that you go into, it's like a meditation state where you will not have people like me talking. You will just listen to the noise of the fish, which is very beautiful. And there is no such any incidents recorded ever. So you are obviously in a safer hand whenever you're diving with us. You're always welcome to come, join us and experience this new world.